British flag tanks. Now, you may have noticed, the very more eagle-eyed of you may have noticed that she's carrying a few battle scars. In fact, this is the oldest grant still running. It's the first grant that came over to Britain under Lend-Lease. And it's kind of ironic, it's basically the first grant in the land, so therefore we put it on the range to show you. As you can see how effective it will be against actual German anti-tank weapons. So that vehicle there has got pick end with 500 holes in it, and she's been made fully to running order running condition, which gives us an opportunity to see the vehicle actually supervising. Now, by the grants failings were becoming a little bit obvious, and of course more importantly, before Sherman was now available, the British and the grant was largely phased out. Much like the Stuart before it, and indeed the Matilda that David spoke about a while ago, it was shithole. This is the M3 grant. You take Churchill's point, don't you? That's an M3, and that's an M3. So Churchill really